bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drop the swag too. Oh.
What's up, life is here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're not, welcome anyway. I welcome y'all, welcome everybody to Plus Size YouTube. We're fun. So today, y'all read that title. Today is going to be the biggest grocery haul. Hold on, I know the title. The biggest Alaska grocery haul. Whew, y'all, can my little car handle it? That's the question. That's the question. Can my little car handle all the food I was gonna get? So I got my grocery list. Let's just get to it because I'm ready. I'm dressed comfortable. I'm not really dressed like cute as I want to. I got on, jogging suit, pants. I know I'm gonna be running around. I'm gonna be walking a lot, so I'm dressed comfortable. So yeah, let's get into this big grocery haul because y'all, I'm gonna be tired as hell.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else loves me like you do. That's why I don't mind spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world, don't you understand? Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me.
Okay, y'all. So this is just the first store. I promise it's just not junk food. It's food in there. I'm shopping for a month, so that's on to Costco.
Love everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly. I can't deny. I got a crush on you. That's truly. I'm digging you. You make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah. Your love is a one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long.
You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too. You a bad girl and your friends bad too. Oh, you got the swag, so she drip the swag too.
Put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it. Your name, but you wanna put your name on it. Put your name on it. Come and put your name on it.
7 days a week. Wet ass pussy, make that pull out game. jamming so hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a keep on the side. Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. Pussy is wet, it's goodbye. Follow me up like I'm surprised. That's no play, I wear the skies. I want you to park that big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it green, please scream. I don't.
And he tryna put his finger
You a bad girl and your friends bad too.
I'm getting Costco good phone. And this is our second haul. Not much, but I only came in here to get basically the rest of the stuff because this stuff is what we eat tomorrow. So I might go back to some milk. I told you we ain't that fat. We got water. We got water. I'm shopping for a month right now, so hey, so let's go see how much all this up because Costco is expensive. I don't see how y'all can do it. How this could just be a regular store. I only do this. I don't know. So the first time, if I didn't say it was 300, 331, 320. It was 300. And yeah, let's see what this total gonna be. Y'all, I am tired. Tired. And that's not even the drink. The drinks I left in the hallway. I can't bring all that. My feet cold. I'm tired. So, the grand total of this trip is whatever that number is. Kind of like that. That's a lot. That's a lot. So, y'all, I have to hurry up and put this food up. I will probably insert a clip once I organize it for stuff because I gotta go back to the store. So yeah, that is my most expensive grocery trip in Alaska. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope y'all, I'm tired. But yeah, let me go ahead and end this video. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel because we're almost at 2,000 finally. Whew. So, let's get this done so I can go get my kids. See y'all next vloggy vlog.